Hi guys, Chef Wainaina here. Today I'm making a tamarind sauce, or if you come from Kenya or Tanzania, this is Ukwaju sauce. Yes, Ukwaju sauce is this popular, sweet, tangy fruit that grows especially mostly widely in Kenyan coast. I come from Voi and it's huge there. It grows widely over there, very popular with kids, but it makes a very good sauce that is used to dip with the bhajias. You can dip it with the fries. You can use a spoonful to cook with it. It's just very flavorful. It's quite a process. Thank you guys for asking for that recipe, especially my friends on my WhatsApp groups. You guys asked for it. It was on my pipeline to make it, but I pushed forward just because of you guys and all you other fans. So the sauce is easy to make. Everything goes in one pot, but it has a lineup of ingredients that go in it. So let's go ahead and start the sauce. So our Ukwaju sauce definitely starts with our star ingredient, which is the tamarind. So this is a tamarind concentrate. This is from a whole tamarind pods that I bought, and then I shelled them. They are actually very easy. All you do is just press them. They are very brittle, and then you get a fibrous, meaty, seedy thing inside. And then what I do, I boiled some water, put them inside, press them with a potato masher, and then let them rest for about half an hour, and then press them through a chinois or a very fine strainer sieve, and then I ended up with this very nice, beautiful concentrate. To go into the concentrate will be a half a cup of brown sugar. You can use jaggery, actually it's very good, or sukari nguru if you come from East Africa. This is a rice wine vinegar that's going to go in it. What I have inside here is cumin and fennel seeds. This is a black pepper. This is half a teaspoon. This is a chili powder to give it a slight kick. This is 1 teaspoon. I have some mustard seeds here, 1 teaspoon. I have here 3 star anise. Star anise gives it a very nice licorice flavor. I have some a teaspoon of whole cloves here. Those are going to go in there too. And then I have a mix of garlic and ginger here. I'm going to use like a tablespoon or so of that. I'm going to zest this one. And then I have 1 red onion here. So I'm going to finely chop this, and then all these gonna go into our sauce. So our prep is all done. The only thing I'm going to need now is just a little bit of vegetable oil, and definitely we are going to need salt and pepper. So it's time to start making our chutney or our tamarind sauce, aka Ukwaju sauce. Let's go ahead. So I'm going to start my tamarind sauce with just a hint, just a little bit, like a teaspoon of vegetable oil. I'm using canola. I'm going to add my 1 red onion, finely chopped. Going to add some salt in here. So I want to almost caramelize these onions. They give out a very good flavor once they are caramelized. So our onions, as you can see, they've nicely caramelized, or just almost there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add our spices here in no particular order, just what is closest to me. Boom. I'm going to toast these spices for about maybe less than a minute. Be aware of the burning situations here at this point. As you can see, we don't have a lot of oil. All I needed the oil for is to start the onions. It's always very important, actually, when you are making these kind of sauces, especially chutneys. to go step by step. It takes time, but the end of it, it's all worth it because you are layering the flavors here. You let each and every ingredient give out what is contributing to what you are making. So it's very, 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 very essential. Otherwise, you can dump everything all in the pot, but the difference is going to be very, very noticeable. This looks good to me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add my brown sugar. I want to caramelize the sugar. When you do that, you get that very beautiful caramel flavor with your sauce instead of just the sweetness. All I want to do, make almost like a caramel here. That's nicely caramelized. I'm going to add our ginger, garlic, 1 tablespoon. I'm also going to add my teaspoon of a chili powder. You don't want to burn the garlic and the ginger. You just want them to release their flavors too. It's always very, very, very important. Nice. This is beautiful. So that dark caramel is gonna give us a very, very nice flavor. So what I'm going to do now, add in our tamarind. I'm also going to add my ½ cup of rice wine vinegar. I can add my lemon zest here now at this point. The lemon zest gives you that citrusy flavor without adding any more acidity. I'm going to add ½ cup of water here. You might ask the question, we did all that work of concentrating the flavors and then we are adding water. So this water here is just going to help us. Once this comes to a boil, we are going to reduce this, so the water is going to evaporate, and then we are going to end up with the original flavors that we started with. So bring this to a boil. So our tamarind sauce here have come to a boil. So I'm going to add my teaspoon of the black pepper. I'm going to reduce the heat once it comes back to a rolling boil, all the way to low. I will just constantly come back and give it a stir. So the stirring here helps with the sugars. Because of the sugar, it's easy for it to burn. So you're going to come back and taste it. At this point, all the water has reduced and it looks like chocolatey, very beautiful flavor. And then I'm going to fish out the star anise, and our sauce is basically done. Serve it in a bowl or whatever container, and there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. So till next time, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Watch out for more videos.